But how could those early humans have reached the remote island of Flores? Located between mainland Asia and Australia, Flores was never connected by land bridges to either continent. Even when the sea level was low, traveling to Flores involved sea crossings of up to 24 kilometers, 15 miles. People could only have reached Flores if they had the brain power to design and sail boats. Scientists had believed that Homo erectus had a fairly limited intelligence. But with these new findings, they are now asking whether Homo erectus was smarter than first thought.
Okay, who wants to volunteer? I want a person to read it and translate. 1, 2. I want a person who never talked before. Okay, I count 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Even when the sea level was low, traveling to Flores involved sea crossings of up to 24 kilometers, 15 miles. People could only have reached Flores if they had the brain power to design and sail boats. 即使的那个海平线很低。 然后要到那个 Flores， 经过海24公尺高的海，要跨越24公里的路程，对，人们要到达那边，除非他们有那个脑力去那个制造，还有就是用那个船航行。
Okay. But design, you mean design is. What do you think? Design.
设计。
Okay, good.
Which day?
11. Okay, anyone want to volunteer? 1, 2, 3.
因为他们没有天敌的关系。Because they don't have predators.
There's still one reason.
The most important.
Yeah, the most important one. So, okay.
Give the chance to another.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What?
The isolation
Yeah.
makes them
Isolate.
makes them shift.
Yeah. Yeah, because of isolation. So, does anyone want to explain isolation in English and Chinese? 1, 2, 3. 3, 1. In English first. English first.
Separate.
Yeah. And Chinese?
隔绝。
Yeah, bingo. Good. Okay. I'll go to the next question. What were the 2 things necessary for Homo florensis to survive? Listen carefully.
In addition, having a larger body requires more food, and on Flores, resources were scarce. Minimizing food consumption and adapting in size were necessary for Homo floresiensis to survive, a phenomenon often seen in nature.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
To raise the food consumption and also to make their size become smaller. It's necessary.
Yes. So the answer is minimizing food consumption and adapting in size. Okay. I'm going to the next paragraph.
Despite their smaller brains, the little...
What does pointed mean here? Translating English and Chinese. Do you want to play again or want to answer it? Does anyone want to volunteer? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Only one? Okay, good.
English first and
stones in a scratch to no 是磨过石头的那个工具吗？
No.
时间锐 sharp
It's an adjective. Yeah, it's adjective.
sharp
Yeah, sharp. And Chinese?
尖锐时
Yeah,
间
good. Yeah, pointed here means keen and sharp. And it can also mean penetrating. And also means emphasized and evident. So pointed has so many meanings, but it's keen and sharp here. Okay. Does anyone know stegodon? Stegodon means 1, 2, 3. Okay. In English.
It's a kind of elephant. It has a teeth.
Keys? Oh, teeth. Oh, okay. Yes, you're right. Okay, this is his picture. Its picture. It's stegodon. But I just find it in a dictionary and there's no T in the end, but I'm not sure. So maybe it has, and yeah, both are right. Okay, next. Okay, now we're going to have again. You know, there are so many words that with IST, like archaeologist or dentist, and means a person or a work. So I will give you 5 minutes to discuss, and the rules would be if the first raise your hand. For example, is team 7, and then it will be the next one will be team 2 and team 11. It's take turns. If you can answer, give me the answers, you would be dead. And yeah, and the final wins 4 teams would get a point. Understand? 就是第一个举手的假设是第7组，那接下来下一个轮到的就是第2组，一组讲一个。然后如果讲不出来的话呢，那组就死了。然后最后赢的4组会加分。那现在给你们5分钟的时间。